Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Lexus LS460. First, ensure your vehicle is on and safely in park. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your car's central display. From there, you will easily find and select the Bluetooth option. This is the essential first step to begin pairing your mobile device for hands-free communication and audio streaming. It's a straightforward process. Now, let's pair your phone. On your Lexus display, select Add New Device. Simultaneously, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone or tablet. Your phone will then search for nearby devices. Look for your Lexus LS460 in the list that appears on your phone screen and select it. This action initiates the connection process between your personal device and your vehicle's infotainment system, typically taking only a few moments. To confirm the connection, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the Lexus display. Please ensure these codes match precisely before proceeding. Then, confirm the connection on both devices. Your Lexus may also ask for permission to access your phone's contacts and call history. Granting this allows for full hands-free functionality. This final confirmation step secures the Bluetooth link, making your device ready for use. Finally, it's time to test your new Bluetooth connection. Try making a quick test call or playing some audio from your phone to ensure everything is working correctly. Remember to check that your phone's volume is turned up for both media and calls. If you encounter any issues, a simple troubleshooting step is to delete the device from both your phone and the car, then repeat the pairing process from the beginning. This often resolves minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.